Last time we had discussed the volume of cubes and cuboids, problems related to that. So now we are going to start with exercise 13.6, in which we will be dealing with the volume of cylinders. So for cylinder, the formula for volume is pi r square h. So in first question, the circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? Given that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So this volume, since the dimensions of the cylindrical vessel are given in centimeters, the volume which you will be finding out will come in centimeter cube. So you have to convert that to liters using this conversion. How many liters of water can it hold? That means capacity, volume you have to find out. So circumference of the base is given here, radius is not given. Formula is pi r square h. In that you need radius and the height. So first you need to find the radius of the cylindrical vessel using the circumference that is given to you. So circumference is 2 pi r, which is given equal to 132. So you will equate 2 pi r to 132 and find the value of r. So when you evaluate this, r will come as 21 centimeter. Next step will be to substitute this in the volume formula, that is pi r square h. Here you will substitute 21 as the radius and 25 as the height and find the volume. Volume is coming in centimeter cube. So 34,650 centimeter cube is the volume. So then convert it into liters. 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. So then 34,650 centimeter cube will be 34.65 liters. You have to divide by 1000. So it can hold 34.65 liters of water. The second one is the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and the outer diameter is 28 centimeter. So whenever inner and outer diameter is given, it means it is having a certain thickness. So it's a pipe which is open on both the ends like this, and it is having a certain thickness. That's why inner and outer, both the diameters are given. So this is what it looks like. So inner is 24, outer is 28. Now these are the diameters. So inner and outer radius you need to find out. Inner radius will be 12, outer radius will be 14. Length of the pipe, that is given as 35. So this is the height, 35 centimeters. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So 1 centimeter cube has got mass 0.6 gram. Once you find the volume, then you can multiply with this 0.6 and you can find the total mass of this wood. So for that you need to find its volume. So volume of the wood, for that you will have to find the outer volume minus inner volume. Because it's a hollow wooden pipe. Where is the wood used? Wood is used only in this much portion. This is the wooden portion. Rest of it is hollow. So the mass will depend on how much wood is used in this. So you have to find the volume of the wood that is used in making this pipe. So that will be outer volume minus inner volume. So if you take R2 as the outer diameter, outer radius, and R1 as the inner radius, the outer volume will be, so it will be outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume will be pi R2 square h and inner will be pi R1 square h. Now you can take pi and h common between these two. So you will get pi into R2 square minus R1 square into h. So you will substitute the values of R1 and R2. over here and you will find the answer. Now here, when you take pi h common, you have like this r2 square minus r1 square. So here you can use the formula also, that is a square minus b square, that identity you can use to make your calculations easier. So r2 is 14 and r1 is 12. So you can write it as 14 minus 12 into 14 plus 12. Pi value you have to take 22 by 7 into the height is given as 35. Then you will evaluate this. Once you evaluate, you will get the volume of the pipe. Now volume is coming in centimeter cube. You have to find the mass. So for 1 centimeter cube, the mass is 0.6 gram. For 5720 centimeter cube, it will be 5720 into 0.6. So that is coming as 3432 grams. If you want to convert it into kg, then you can write it as 3.432 kg.